If an operator is looking to incorporate AI more and they exist in the same kind of world where all of us do, where all of our data is popsicle sticks and bubble gum, but organized, how would you recommend that they get started? What are the first steps into that world that you would take to organize things in a way where you could actually start getting out insights that matter for teams?
On the people side, start by working with stakeholders that have a high tolerance for ambiguity and have a high level excitement to give you feedback. So we'll start with the people side first, because if you're trying to do any sort of change management around this, you've got to work with people that'll be with you in the trenches. On the choosing an area side, oftentimes we try to inject AI into the new things that we're working on, which is interesting because then you don't really have a baseline to compare it against whether or not something's working. So I would actually encourage going to the mundane first and experimenting with things like internal updates and doing side by sides of maybe running some sort of agent or something in your CRM to tell you about pipeline hygiene or deal progression, and kind of putting it up against your current process and running parallels for a little bit as well. From there, I think running small sprints with people on your team to try these 6-week boot camp type things, or in AI, that's like lifetime in AI, right? 6-day boot for people to build their own. We're actually launching that in a couple of teams right now, where we're focusing first on personal and team efficiency for getting people really comfortable with tools. And we're on a specific platform internally in my day job, but we are constantly running ways to safely experiment and measure the impacts of it. So I would start with one, something you understand, people that you can work with very easily. Two, a process that is well documented and understandable and has a baseline of what good looks like. And then three, stitch it together and make sure you understand what these pieces are. Document the web
Yeah.
again and really just understand what you're putting out there into the world.